Find a approximate value of under root 4.08 x equal to 4 delta x value 0.08. So f of x equal to root x. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. F of x value root x, f dash x 1 by 2 root x into delta x. F means function x plus 0.08 equal to root 4 1 by 2 root 4 delta x value. So under root 4.08 2 plus 0.08 by 4 root 4 value 2 into 2 4, so 2 plus 0.02, finally we get 2.02. Next, similar problem. Given 1 degree equal to alpha, find approximate value of cos 60 degrees 1 minute. So take x equal to 60 degrees and delta x equal to 1 minute. 1 minute equal to Bharti, 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. Alpha by 60. Alpha by 60. So f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. F of x is cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x into delta x. So substitute all values. Cos x value, delta x value, cos 60 minus sin 60 into delta x value, alpha by 60. Alpha by 60. We know that cos 60 value 1 by 2, sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into alpha by 60. So finally 1 by 2 minus root 3 alpha by root 3 alpha by 120 degrees. 120. Similar problem. F of x equal cos x. Delta x is 1 minute, not given degrees. 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. So alpha equal to 1 degree. So alpha by 60. Cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Sin 60 value. Cos 60 value. So this is the given option. Next, another problem. All of you listen. The area of the triangle is calculated by the formula of AB. Given area of the triangle of AB sin C. Error in C is given delta C. Find a approximate error, not percentage. Find approximate error in the area. So approximate error delta equal to of AB derivative of sin C cos C into delta C. So this is the error in the area, approximate error only. Okay, next see this one, another bit. Small ABC are the sides of the triangle A, B, C. Small ABC are sides of a triangle. Next, increasing in the inscribed in the circle. Inscribed in the circle. Then delta A by cos A, delta B by cos B, delta C by cos C equal to, given this problem. So in properties of triangles, junior inter, we know that A by sin A equal to 2R. A equal to 2R sin A. Calculate delta A. Delta A equal to 2R cos A into delta A. Delta A by cos A. Delta A by cos A 2R delta A. Similarly delta B by cos B 2R delta B. Delta C by cos C 2R delta C. 2R delta C. Next, therefore delta A by cos A plus delta B by cos B plus delta C by cos C equal to 2R delta A plus 2R delta B plus 2R delta C. Take 2R common. Delta A plus delta B plus delta C. We know that A plus B plus C equal to 180. So delta A plus delta B plus delta C, derivative of any constant equal to 0. So substitute this value in this place. 2R into 0. 2R into 0 equal to 0. This is the answer. We know that from properties of triangles, A by sin A equal to 2R. A equal to 2R sin A. Delta A. 2R cos A into delta A. We want delta A by cos A. Similarly, delta B by cos B. Delta C by cos C. Adding these three, we get this one. Take delta, 2 are common, 0. A plus B plus C equal 180. Delta A plus delta B plus delta C equal 0. Derivative of constant. So answer is 0.